These videos are breaking the internet right now. Cinematic quality, multi-shot storytelling, built-in audio. That's not a dream. That's Seedance 2.0 that is one of the most talked about AI video models of 2026, and almost nobody can actually use it. Every major AI platform, Artlist, Higgsfield, Abacus, either restricted or on a wait list. Right now, sjinn is the only place giving you access to Seedance 2.0. Let's dive in. Head over to sjinn.ai. This is sjinn's hub for all AI generation, video, image, audio, all in one place. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. Switch to Tool mode, select the video section, and choose Seedance 2.0. Demo 1. Cinematic scene from text. Instead of hiring a film crew, just type, "A stylish woman in a red coat walks slowly through a rain-soaked Tokyo street at night. Neon signs reflect off the wet pavement. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Supports duration up to 15 seconds. Now I am selecting 6 seconds. Hit generate. Look at that. The rain on the pavement, the camera gliding forward, and that audio? Generated automatically. No extra step. Demo 2. Multi-camera storytelling. Type, "A man chased by police through a busy city street. Multi-camera cuts. Ambient city sounds. Urgent score." Just describe the story, and Seedance 2.0 handles all the camera work automatically. Demo 3. High-impact action scenes. Type, "Urban war zone. A military tank explodes. Soldiers in combat gear run." Look at that. It's physically grounded. It's intense. And finally, you can upload up to 9 images, 3 video clips, and 3 audio tracks, all in a single generation. Here I uploaded these images and got this video.
I've got you.
It is insane. Multi-reference video. I want to recreate this video using these characters. So what do I have to do? I am uploading the character images. I will upload the reference video clip. After that, come to the prompt section. I am typing, "Make the characters from." Now type, I am selecting image 1. After selecting image 1, select image 2. Now I am typing, "Fight," using the movements from the reference video. Then generate the video. And here is the result. You can see that Seedance 2.0 adapts the motion from the video and creates a perfect fight scene using our characters. And that's a wrap. Seedance 2.0 isn't just a faster AI video tool, it's a smarter one. Head over to sjinn.ai and try Seedance 2.0 yourself. Link in the description. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to get more updates. Until next, happy creating.